Dear students, today I am here to execute my duty as it is our prime duty to share my view, especially the textual view, to the students because your classes are suspended and it is also mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita the line I quote नियतम कुरु कर्मम त्वम कर्म ज्यायो अयाह कर्मम शरीर यात्रापि च तेन प्रसिद्धेद कर्मण. The line is taken from chapter 3, number 8. Through this couplet, Lord Krishna says, always perform your prescribed duty, for action is better than inaction. And even a man cannot even maintain his physical body without action. So, keeping this view in mind, I am here along with the next lesson, as today we have the second portion of the story, The Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth. This is a very mysterious story, my dear. Generally and very often, there happens something in our life. It is unexpected, as nowadays the crisis was not expected. It came here uncalled for and forced everyone to live in stress and distress. I cannot describe the misery of the world. The whole nation is facing a great trouble and is living in fear. But at present moment, we are free from all sorts of fear because we are performing our duty. As I told, this story is very mysterious because something happened unexpected, helped the pilot when he was facing a great trouble. There was no hope of saving his life. His old plane Dakota, but he was rescued. You may ask who rescued. I may tell you it was supernatural factor. When we get ourselves beyond expectation, we imagine it is supernatural power which always comes, which is always unseen and saves our lives. This story has an abstract feeling of supernatural elements. It is seen in the post portion of the story. I would like to classify it pre and post. In the pre portion of the story, everything was okay. There was no trouble at all. The pilot of the old Dakota plane was trapped, and before that, he started his journey and was dreaming to reach home and spend his holidays along with his family members. But what happened? What happened? His dream, very rarely such things happen, as we mentioned, and it is written in this story. While flying across the sky, it was 10 o'clock at night. The sky was very clear. The stars were twinkling brightly. There was no trace of clouds anywhere. The sky was quite patchless. Flying over France, it was going back to England. The pilot was very happy. He was dreaming to be with his family members and was expecting how to enjoy. It was 1:30 a.m. when he asked Paris control room about the route and location. Immediately he was instructed to turn 12-degree west. The pilot of the old Dakota moved and followed the instruction, and his misery begins now. Up to here, it was pre portion, and what happened after that? As he was completely trapped in a black stormy clouds. Not only this, but the devices of his plane stopped functioning. The instruction was not passing through the devices, it was completely inactive. So he got himself under stress. But my dear, in such a critical moment, what happened is beyond our expectation. Fortunately, a black aeroplane came to his rescue. In the beginning, he could not understand in what way it will help him, but he was helped certainly. The aeroplane showed him the path. He came out from the stormy clouds, landed safely, and went direct to the control room. A woman was performing her duty sitting in the control room. The pilot described the incidents and asked more about the plane which helped him, showed the path, and he was rescued. After listening it, the woman denied of landing of any sorts of plane just before him. Now, you may imagine, my dear, from where, from which direction the plane came and where it went, who had sent it, and where it went out. When we are failure to understand the happening, we connect ourselves direct to God and we call it supernatural support. It is seen once in our life also. You may have witnessed such incidents or will witness in future when such supernatural power support you and you overcome from the misery. In my next video, we shall discuss the conclusion, the safe landing of the old Dakota and its pilot, and we shall also imagine in what way the plane was saved. And I say thank you once again and hope you will stay at home and will remain safe. Thank you.